Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook cod fish fillet. Cooking cod is simpler than you might think, and with a few key steps, you can achieve a delicious, flaky result every time. First, select fresh cod fillets, ideally around 1 inch thick, for even cooking. Pat them completely dry with paper towels to ensure a good sear. Then, season both sides generously with salt, pepper, and any herbs you enjoy, like dill or parsley, to enhance the flavor. Pan-searing is an excellent method for cooking cod, creating a beautiful crust while keeping the inside moist. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil or butter in a non-stick pan over medium-high heat until shimmering. Carefully place your seasoned cod fillets into the hot pan. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. The fish is done when it turns opaque throughout and flakes easily with a fork, reaching an internal temperature of 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Baking offers a healthy and hands-off approach to cooking cod. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Lightly grease a baking dish or line it with parchment paper to prevent sticking. Arrange your seasoned cod fillets in a single layer. For extra moisture and flavor, you can drizzle them with a little lemon juice and add a small pat of butter on top of each fillet before baking. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the fish is opaque and flakes easily. Once your cod is cooked to perfection, let it rest for a couple of minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more tender and flavorful experience. Serve your delicious cod immediately with fresh lemon wedges, which brighten the flavor, and your favorite side of roasted vegetables or a light salad. Remember, the key to great cod is to avoid overcooking, as it can quickly become dry. Enjoy your meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.